Hi folks, Shell Busey again here on my AskShell.com blog. And one of the things that I've quite often thought of day in and day out when we're working from our home office and my studio at the home and taking care of things with you and my listening audience and my TV viewers from the past, that, if you have any concerns whatsoever, please give me a call. Because I can take calls. If I'm not in at the time that you call, then all you have to do, folks, is leave your name, your phone number at the time that you called, and please don't forget your phone number, and I will call you back and go over anything that you would like to have. No matter if you're refinishing your wood deck, for example, if you're washing your driveway down and you want to seal it, concrete or asphalt, then we got the cleaning formula available now. And all this information that you require, like if you're doing trimming of your home, putting wood trim around your doors, doing some decorative cosmetic moldings. We have West Coast Moldings and Millwork. They've heard them on the radio. They're part of our referral network. You take End of the Roll. They're very much part of our referral network. Cloverdale Paint, Windsor Plywood. I could go on and on and on. And then we have Shell Busey's Home Improvement Services, and Home Improvement Services that they'll do a complete suite function, build a suite on the side of your home, build a suite in the basement. If you're looking for bringing a family member home, or if you're looking for anything, upgrading kitchens, bathrooms, specialize in all that, Shell Busey's Home Improvement Services is there for you. 604-542-2236. So do give us a call, and we have all that information for you. It's just like the days when I used to do the show on Saturday and Sunday. Give us a call now. I will phone you. We'll talk one-on-one. It is just that easy. So when it comes to anything at all, please call, because I know a lot of you are getting tired and a little stir crazy, but we got to think of it. Stay at home unless there's an important function that you've got to do, shopping, food stores, and we want to thank all those first responders, like the hospitals and the fire, the ambulatory, all these services, and right down to the municipal services, and I don't mean down to the municipal service, but I mean all the municipal services that are available out there. You see them out there doing gardening. You see them out there doing road patching. You see them out there, and it's all happening during this terrible COVID-19 virus. So let's play our part, folks. Let's, Dr. Green says, just stamp on it, and let's put it out, and let's get back at the real business. And we know it's going to be a while, but let's work with it together. If you need a hand, give me a call, 604-542-2236. Leave your name, the time you called, and your phone number, please. Okay, until next time, folks, be on the watch. Keep checking my website, AskShell.com. It is just that easy. The how to, the what to, the where to, the why to, the when to, the who to, folks. All there for you. So stay well, stay healthy, and be happy. It's just that easy. How about your family?